Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Marbella. Just going to take a little walk along the promenade, show you what's going on. Let's see Wagwan in it. So, you've got all the bars on the beachfront down there. Really, weather's just changed all of a sudden. Just check them waves out down there, really big. But yeah, the guy's doing the old sardines down there. But yeah, let's take a little walk. So 2 cocktails for 15 there, happy hour 2 for 1 and cocktails. It's quite a good deal. So yeah. We're quite busy still. Tapas €1 actually, it's not bad. €1 for tapas. So you can take quite a few tapas. So people still on the beach though, a little bit windy today, but everyone's still out. Check that. Oh, it's looking a bit wonky, this camera, but the balance is slightly off. Hopefully it's alright, doesn't look too bad. I'm holding it a bit to the side, so we'll see. We'll see. So we're going to take a walk up here. Got the old nickel statues up there. It's nice though, it's nice to be near the sea. Where we live, there's no sea. We're inland, so we can get that fresh sea smell. So, Restaurant Italiano. Let me know if you come down here, where'd you go to eat? What's your favourite restaurant? I don't think I've ever eaten at any of these places, so I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, actually, I'm going to go to the chip shop. It's like down the other end. I don't think it's a chip shop, but it does really good fish and chips. And I'm starving. I think I'm going to have fish and chips now, and then I'll have to get something really, really late at night to munch on before I go to bed. Let's see what the Old Town Nightlife has got to say. Check out that. There's a beach. Really, really, waves are crashing in at the moment. So yeah, this place looks as a shop. Yeah, got the same sign as the one next door. Looks like they're about the same, don't they? Italiano, okay. There's a lot of Italian restaurants here. So, what's this one? Enter Lemons. We've got a restaurant down there on the beach. But yeah, don't think it's a beach day for me. No way. I keep checking to see if I've got my phone on me. I'm recording on it. So used to having the old DJI. I have my phone in my pocket. So you've got McDonald's up here. Has anyone ever stayed in these hotels right here? Like, I thought my hotel was right down here, but it's up a bit more, which, you know, it's not too bad. Slight walk up. I'm young. I'll be alright. My legs are actually aching though. Done quite a lot of walking already. Well, that's the job. Walking tours. Let's check this little view out here. There's another little Guinness place up here. I'll check the price. We're up there. Oh, look at the seagulls down there. Yeah, let's keep going. Like I said, McDonald's just there. Good cafe. And then you've got an Irish bar over here. Irish pub. Come on, let's just get a Guinness. See whatever price it is, we just pay it. Let's see if it's better than the ones I've had up the road. The ones up the road were really good actually. I had they're actually really, really nice. So yeah, check them prices, you can see that. Not bad prices. Homemade pancake, 11, not too bad. Come on, let's go another beer. Nice Irish beer. Right, come back to me when I've got a beer.